Happy morning, children. Hope you all doing good and safe. In the previous classes, you all learned struct. Hope you all familiar about the components and tools of the struct. Have you all created different category of games, children? Yes, you all enjoyed with the struct app. Today, we are going to see exercises. Come, let's learn the spelling and the symbol of the struct. Come, children. Fill in the blanks. First one, Dash is a 3D game creation tool. Dash is a 3D game creation tool. Struct is a 3D game creation tool. Struct is a 3D game creation tool. Second one, Dash technology is used in 3D struct. Dash technology is used in 3D struct. Children, repeat after me. Drag and drop technology is used in 3D struct. Drag and drop technology is used in 3D struct. Third one, Dash button is used to add new elements. Dash button is used to add new elements. Add button is used to add new elements. Add button is used to add new element. Dash button is used to delete elements. Dash button is used to delete elements. Trace button is used to delete elements. Trace button is used to delete elements. The fifth one, Dash account is needed to work with struct. Dash account is needed to work with struct. Mail account is needed to work with struct. Mail account is needed to work with struct. Children, all clear? The first one we'll revise. First one, struct is a 3D game creation tool. Second one, drag and drop technology is used in 3D struct. Third one, add button is used to add new elements. The fourth one, trace button is used to delete elements. The last one, mail account is needed to work with struct. Let's move on to next one, children. Identify the symbol. First one, this is a symbol of the struct. Symbol of the struct. The next one, trace pin. Symbol of the trace pin. The second one, filter. Symbol of the filter. The fourth one, add element. Symbol of the add element. The last one, search. Search button. Symbol of the search button. Just keep in mind, children. Observe it. Struct symbol will be like this. Next one, trace pin. The next one, filter. The next one, add element. The last one, search. All clear, children? Can you able to identify the symbol of the option? Okay? Let's move on to next exercise. Fill the missing letters. The first one, struck. The first one, struck. Spell it, children. Slowly. S-T-R-U-C-K-D. Struck. Repeat, children. S-T-R-U-C-K-D. Struck. Second one, element. Element. Repeat, element. E-L-E-M-E-N-T. Element. E-L-E-M-E-N-T. Element. Next one, avatar. Avatar. Repeat, children. A-V-A-T-A-R. A-V-A-T-A-R. Avatar. The next one, search. Search. S-E-A-R-C-H. Search. The next one, filter. 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 Repeat children. Stuck. Stuck. Element. Element. Avatar. Avatar. Search. Search. Filter. Filter. Let's move on to next one. State true or false. State true or false. First one, drag and drop technology is used in 3D stuck. Yes, it is a true. Drag and drop technology is used in 3D stuck. It is a true. Next one, you cannot add more than one element. You cannot add more than one element. It is a false. We can add more than one element in stuck. The next one, you can publish your game from all over the world. Yes, we can share our games from all over the world. It is a true. It is a true. The next one, you must need a mail account to work with stuck app. Yes, it is a true. You must need a mail account to work with stuck app. Yes, it is a true. The next one, you cannot have templates in stuck. You cannot have a templates in stuck. No, it is a false. We have a templates in stuck. Next one, you should start building your game after profile creation. You should start building your game after profile creation. It is a true. Yes, we have to create our profile first, then we have to start our game creation. Is that clear, children? The next one, avatar is a character. Yes, it's a one of the character. We have to build our character while creating profile. So the first one, let's revise, children. Drag and drop technology is used in stuck 3D stuck. It's a true. Second one, you cannot add more than one element. It is a false. Third one, you can publish your game from all over the world. It is a true. The next one, you must need a mail account to work with stuck app. Yes, it is a true. The next one, you cannot have templates in stuck. It is a false. The next one, you should start building your game after profile creation. It is true. The next one, avatar is a character. It is also true. Hope, children, you all clear with the exercise. Please write down all the exercise in your computer notebooks 2 times. Okay? And take a copy of it and send through your WhatsApp group. All clear, children? Have a nice day.